Today we'll discuss about the linear differential equation. A differential equation of the type dy by dx plus p of y equals to q, where p is a function of x and q is also function of x. Such type of differential equation is known as linear differential equation of first order. Now to solve such differential equation, first we find out integrating factor IF. IF means integrating factor. It is equal to e power integration of p dx. We'll put this value of p here, then we have to integrate. That will give us integrating factor. Then general solution is given by y into if equals to q if dx and plus c. Integration of q if dx plus c. Y into if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. This is the general solution of a linear differential equation. Here this differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. This is linear differential equation. If e power integration of p dx, e power integration of p is 2, so 2 dx, that is e power 2x. Now general solution, y into if integration of q if dx plus c. C will put afterwards. Y if is e power 2x. Q is this sin x. If is e power 2x and dx. Now y e power 2x equal to. Here we have to integrate by the method of integration by parts. This is first function, this is second function. First function, integration of this is e power 2x upon 2 minus integration d by dx of this, d by dx of sin x is cos x. Integration of this e power 2x upon 2 and dx. Now it is y e power 2x sin x e power 2x upon 2 1 by 2. Again here we have to apply the integration by parts method. This is first, this is second. First integration of this e power 2x upon 2 minus integration d by dx of this minus sin x, so here it becomes plus. Integration of this e power 2x upon 2 and dx. Y e power 2x sin x e power 2x upon 2 1 upon 4 cos x e power 2x minus 1 upon 4 integration of sin x e power 2x dx. It is equal to this one, y into e power 2x. Shift this term on this side. Y e power 2x is common. 1 plus 1 by 4 equal to sin x e power 2x upon 2 minus 1 by 4 cos x e power 2x. Add these two, we get 5 upon 4. Y e power 2x sin x e power 2x upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 cos x e power 2x plus c. Now shift this constant term and this on this side. Y equal to 4 upon 5 sin x upon 2. E power 2x is cancelled. Here 2 is cancelled. Minus 4 upon 5 into 1 by 4 cos x plus 4 upon 5 c e power minus 2x. This is cancelled. This is the answer. We have to integrate this function. This is a linear differential equation. P is 3, Q is e power minus 2x. IF e power integration of p dx. P is 3 and dx. Integration of this is 3x. Now general solution, y into if integration of q if dx. Y if is e power 3x. Q is e power minus 2x. if is e power 3x and dx plus c. Here it is y e power 3x. E power 3x minus e power 2x is e power x dx and plus c. Y e power 3x. Integration of this is e power x and plus c. Answer. If we look at this equation, it is a linear differential equation. dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. P is 1 upon x and q is x square. Integrating factor e power integration of p dx. E power integration of 1 upon x dx. Integration of 1 upon x is log x. E and log is cancelled. Here it is x. By the property of logarithm, e power log x is equal to x. Now general solution, y into if integration of q into if and dx. Y if is x, q is x square, if is x and dx plus c. Y dot x square into x is x cube. Integration of x cube is x power 4 upon 4 and plus c. So y equal to x cube upon 4 plus c x power minus 1. This is the answer. Here this is a linear differential equation. dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. P equal to sec x. Q equal to tan x. if e power integration of p dx. E power integration of sec x dx. Integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. By property of logarithm, it is equal to sec x plus tan x. Now general solution, y into if integration of q into if and dx. Y if is sec x plus tan x. Integration of q is tan x. if is sec x plus tan x and dx. Y sec x plus tan x equal to integration of tan x sec x and dx plus integration of tan square of x dx. Y sec x plus tan x. Integration of tan x sec x is sec x. Integration of tan square is integration of sec square x minus 1 and dx. y sec x plus 10x equal to sec of x plus integration of sec square x is 10x. Integration of 1 is x and plus C answer. Here we have to solve this differential equation. First we have to divide by cos square of x. dy by dx plus 1 upon cos square. 1 upon cos square is sec square of x into y. Here 10x. 1 upon cos square is sec square of x. Now p equal to sec square of x. Q equal to 10x sec square of x. IF e power integration of p dx. E power integration of sec square x dx. Integration of sec square is 10x. Now general solution y into if integration of q into if dx. Y e power 10x integration of q. Q is 10x sec square of x. If is e power 10x and dx. Here we take 10x equal to t. Let 10x equal to t. Then sec square of x dx is dt. So y e power 10x equal to integration of t. This is dt e power t and dt. E power 10x equal to. This is first function, this is second function. First function integration of second, integration d by dx of this first is 1, integration of the second is e power t and dt. Y e power 10x equal to t e power t minus integration of this is e power t and plus c. Y e power 10x equal to 10x e power 10x minus e power 10x and plus c answer. Here to solve this differential equation, first divide it by x. Dy by dx plus 2 upon xy. Here x square upon x is x and log x. P is 2 upon x and q is x log x. Now if e power integration of p dx. E power integration of 2 upon x and dx. E power 2 integration of 1 upon x is log of x. Now we'll shift this power here. It is shifted in the power here. E power log of x square. So by property of logarithm, it is equal to x square. Now general solution. Y into if integration of q if dx. Y if is x square. Q is x log x. If is x square and dx. Y x square equal to x square into x is x cube log of x and dx. Here apply the ideal. This is first function, this is second function. Y x square equal to first integration of second, it is x power 4 upon 4 minus d by dx of this. D by dx of this is 1 upon x. Integration of this is x power 4 upon 4 and dx. Now cancel this one. Y x square equal to x power 4 upon 4 log x minus integration of x cube is x power 4 upon 4. 4 into 4 is 16 and plus C answer. Here we have to divide this differential equation by x log x. dy by dx plus 1 upon x log x into y 2 upon x log x upon x log x. Log x to log x cancel. P equal to 1 upon x log x. Q equal to 2 upon x into x square. Now IF e power integration of p dx 1 upon x log x and dx. Let log of x equal to t, then 1 upon x dx equal to dt. So it becomes if equal to e power, this is t and this is 1 upon dx dt. So 1 upon t dt, e power log of t. E by property of logarithm, it is equal to t. And t is log x, so it is equal to log of x. Now general solution, y into if q into if dx plus c. Y, if is log of x. Integration of q, q is 2 upon x square. And if is log x and dx plus c. Here we have to integrate by parts. This is first function, this is second function. Y log of x. First function log x. Integration of this minus 2 upon x minus integration dy by dx of this is 1 upon x. Integration of this is minus 2 upon x and dx plus c. It is y log of x equal to minus 2 upon x log x. Here minus minus plus 2. Integration of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x and plus c. So y log x equal to minus 2 upon x log x minus 2 upon x and plus c answer. Here first we divide it by 1 plus x square dy and dx. We divide it by dx. Here dx plus 2xy equal to cot of x. Now divide by 1 plus x square. Divide by dx equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square y cot x upon 1 plus x square. P 2x upon 1 plus x square. Q cot x upon 1 plus x square. If e power integration of p dx. E power integration of p. P is 2x upon 1 plus x square and dx. If we take this as t, it becomes dt. So dt upon t is log t. So it is e power log of 1 plus x square. By property of logarithm, it will be equal to 1 plus x square. Now general solution. Y into if integration of q into if dx plus c. Y if is 1 plus x square. Integration of q is cot x upon 1 plus x square. if is 1 plus x square and plus c. Cancel these two. Y 1 plus x square equal to integration of cot x. Integration of cot x is log of sin x and plus c answer. Here we divide this differential equation by x. dy by dx plus 1 upon xy minus 1 plus y cot x equal to 0. dy by dx, from these two, y is common, 1 upon x plus cot x, and shift this 1 on the right hand side. Now p is equal to 1 upon x plus cot x. Q is equal to 1. if e power integration of p dx, e power integration of 1 upon x plus cot x and dx. E power integration of 1 upon x is log x. Integration of cot x is log of sin x. Here log a plus log b is log of a into b. So log of x sin x. By property of logarithm, it is equal to x sin x. Now general solution. Y into if integration of q into if dx plus c. Y if is x sin x. Integration of q is 1 and if is x sin x dx and plus c. This is first function and this is second function. Y x sin x equal to, first integration of sin is minus cos x plus minus integration of differentiation of x is 1, integration of sin is minus cos x dx and plus c. Y x sin x equal to minus x cos x, integration of cos is sin of x and plus c. This is the answer.